Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to reactivate your Snapchat account after deactivating on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently deactivated your account, now if you want to reactivate your account, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you have to simply search for Snapchat, and here you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app, and you have to simply open the Snapchat app. And here first of all I will tell you how you can simply deactivate your account. So first of all you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply click on delete account. So if you click on delete account, then this kind of interface will be shown, that if you provide the password and click on continue, your account will be deactivated. But if you log in back within 30 days, then your account will be reactivated. So here is written, if you like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log into Snapchat. Which means if you want to reactivate, then you have simply log in back to your Snapchat account, and your account will be reactivated again. But you have to make sure that if you have any unopened uh, snaps or chats you have saved, then that chats will be deleted. So before deactivating, you have to make sure about that you haven't saved any chats in Snapchat. So before deactivating, so after deactivation, your that chats and snaps you have not opened will be deleted. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.